If your Vauxhall Insignia is making a terrible noise like this and your engine light is on, then I will show you what it is and how to diagnose the fault. You may be getting this display on the dashboard and fault codes relating to boost pressure and DPF faults. So with a little looking around, I found this pipe down here to be split, and that's where it's leaking from. Moving the coolant header tank out of the way gives more visibility and access to diagnose the fault. I suspect that the DPF is blocked, so we will diagnose this and find out if it is. So let's disconnect the pipes and then we will start the engine and check to see if any of these pipes are blocked. And as expected, one of those was blocked. At this point, it's time to disconnect the exhaust from the DPF and start the engine again and see if the pipe is blocked. And as suspected, no exhaust gases present. These gases were leaking from the pipe up top. This is why the pipe has split. So the cost-effective solution to this is to remove the DPF and take it to a specialist that can clean out the DPF filter and refit, and obviously you will need to replace the pipes that have split. Maybe you are having similar problems yourself. Why not leave us a comment below and let us know how you got on with the repair. As always, thanks for watching. This has been How to Fix It. Why not check out these other useful Vauxhall Insignia videos coming up next, and we'll see you over there right now.